Anak, one by one lang.
Get the biggest. Kaya mo siya, mami.
Kasi may mga natatakot.
Hindi mo naman maiiwasan yan kasi pipitasin mo eh.
Diyan ka kaya ako kay Kenji. Ha?
Okay. Get the biggest one, kuya. The purple one.
Ay, picture daw siya.
Oo, marami. Oh. Yeah, this one is big. Oh. Try to taste this one.
What?
Try to taste
What?
that one. That if it's sweet or not.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Nalalaglag lang siya ng kusa. Taste one only. Get one like this and taste it if it's sweet. Taste.
I just sweet.
Taste also, Kenji. Taste. It's sweet, so get it all. If it's sweet, get this. Sweet? Sweet, Kenji? It's sweet? Okay, get it all. Put in your cup.
Put mo. There.
You put in enough then.
Matamis dito.
Yan.
Hmm.
Kutsi.
Sa puno na to matamis. Tikman mo muna.
Oh, I take all of these berries.
Matamis.
All of these berries.
Tignan mo, may nalalaglag talaga.
I
Get one by one.
walk my eat it.
Kuya.
There. Yung medyo dito malaki.
I'm not a big.
Asim. Asim.
Yung puno kanina na inano ko masarap.
Asim.
Ay. Ito, pwede.
Asim?
Maasim to.
Huh?
Try to taste one.
Di pa tayo. Balik tayo doon.
Balik. Try natin sa iba dito.
Asim!
Dito matamis.
Maganda yung lasa ng kanina kasi balance eh.
Ito tikman mo. Asim.
Here.
Maganda asim lang din.
Baka malaglag daw.
Dito. Dito, try din natin.
This is sour. I don't sweet.
Try.
I don't want the asim. I get melon.
Balik tayo dun, mami. Wala.